The Great White Buffalo. The Great White Buffalo. Great White Buffalo.
What kind of story am I gonna write about a great white buffalo?
I don't know.
So is this recording?
I don't know if it's recording or not. Is it? I don't know.
If it is, I'm gonna go get Marley so she can say hi to the camera.
Don't be stupid, Haley. Look, she growled at you. She still got that stupid toy.
This is my doggy with her tater tot in her mouth. Say
I
hi,
don't
Marley.
care about the dog.
Say hi, doggy. Okay, bye, doggy.
You're retarded. Now, what are you going to say about the Great White Buffalo? What's your opinion on the Great White Buffalo?
That I'm writing a story about it.
And what is the Great White Buffalo?
It's a buffalo where we are writing a story.
Interesting. Strong words from a strong Great White Buffalo.